Public servant. It's not about you. Public servant is mandated by the law. You are mandated to serve public, to serve people, not to serve yourself.
Siyempre, nagulat ako sa kanila, pero ako po, alam naman ng lahat, I have a very happy family
It's not about your family.
life. So I'm not in favor of divorce.
Public servant. It's not about you. It's not about your family. It's not about your feelings. Bakit? Kasi public servant ka. It's not about your view. It's not about your religion. It's about public service. It's about public servant. Kung public servant ka, pagsilbi ka. Huwag niyong pagsilbihan yung sarili nyo. Huwag niyong pagpilitan yung sarili nyong pananaw. Kasi dapat ang nasusunod dito ay ang pananaw ng public na inyong pinagsisilbihan. Yan ang mandato nyo yan eh. Di ba? Pero ano sasabihin nyo? Masaya naman ang pamilya ko. Buo naman ang pamilya ko. I am a devoted Catholic. I am a Christian. Kaya ayaw ko yan. No! Ipapasa ko to dahil ito ang kailangan ng nakakaraming tao na aking pinagsisilbihan bilang isang public servant. Di ba? Sabi mo nga, ayaw mo ng divorce. Bakit? Kasi you're a devoted Catholic.
Simple lang yan. I am a devout Catholic.
At sabi mo nga ang annulment napakalaking gastos at napakadaming etche-boretche May kakayahan ka para i-revise. Di gawin mo. Ganun lang yun Diba? Naisip mo pala ba't di mo gawin? Diba? Mandato mo yan, trabaho mo yan. Kung ayaw mo ng divorce, i-revise mo ang annulment law. That's it.
And I adhere to the teachings of our Catholic Church. Period. Senator Joel. And of course, being a Christian, he is against.
Sir, on the divorce bill, ano yung final results ng survey na ginawa mo among senators?
Alam mo, I apologize to my fellow senators for divulging it to the media because I only conducted a survey amongst ourselves only. Yung mga iba sa inyo medyo makukulit, so nilabas ko na. So syempre kinwestiyon ako ng mga kasamahan ko bakit ko rin nilabas, so I apologize to them. Pero medyo close fight Senator Joel. And of course, being a Christian, he is against the Senator Joel. And of course, being a Christian, he is against the bigat. Talagang dadaan sa butas ng karayom. Kumbaga,
sinong lamang, sir? Yung against?
Halos, kasi I haven't asked the group of SP MIGs. I only talked to Senator Joel. And of course, being a Christian, he is against the. I will just explain my position why I am against the divorce bill. Bigat. Talagang dadaan sa butas ng karayom. Simple lang yan. I am a devout Catholic. I was educated from a Catholic school, a Jesuit educated school. I also am against divorce is that pwede naman mag-annulment. Kaya lang marami nagrereklamo, mahal-mahal magpa-annulment, mahal-mahal. Di gawa na lang tayo ng batas para mapadali ang annulment. Para mas mura para sa ating mga kababayan at expedite yung mga annulment cases. Yun lang naman yung sa akin.
For now, the House version of the bill has yet to be transmitted to the Senate, while its counterpart measure in the Senate remains pending in the Committee on Rules. So far, lawmakers in the upper chamber have opposing views on the proposal.